a sample thing I used, but I didn't take any makeup.
Well, I have
there.
you on video putting it in your pocket.
No, that was a sample thing.
It's the exact same clothes that you're wearing.
It was a sample
well,
thing.
Well, you put it in your
makeup,
pockets.
Sir. But because it was a sample.
Pockets, that doesn't matter. You can
I thought
take
you
it.
could. It's a sample.
Well,
What, you have a tag still on your hoodie. What happened there?
That's just my shirt.
You left the tag on it?
It's just my shirt.
It's a new style.
Yeah, it's not a new style.
You ripped the standard off.
she's wearing the exact same clothes that she was wearing at the time of the theft. I think that she's giving me a phony baloney name.
On December 20th, 2024, officers responded to a retail theft complaint at a Kohl's department store. The suspect was later intercepted outside a nearby Target and detained for what appeared to be routine questioning. Throughout the encounter, she insisted the missing makeup items were merely display samples, so taking them was not theft. That belief carries zero legal weight unless the store expressly designated the item as free of charge.
What have I done?
So,
If you want to explain to her what...
real quick, so right now you are being detained for suspicion of retail theft over at the Kohl's earlier today. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Can I go use the bathroom real fast? I think
Not right now.
Okay.
Where are you coming from today?
I'm just walking around. I just came from one of the stores. I haven't done anything wrong.
I haven't done anything wrong.
No, do you?
Ma'am, you're not free to leave at this time.
Who's that?
You're being detained. Ma'am?
You are being detained.
For what?
You need to stop.
Let me see. Let me use the bathroom.
You stand. No, you're. Nope.
Can I call my sister?
We're gonna give you a moment to call whoever you'd like.
Why are you
Who is
detaining
that?
me? That's me.
That's
Where?
you walking out of Kohl's
When?
at 2:20 in the evening or the afternoon today. So
No.
here's the deal. I'm going to ask you again for an ID.
I don't have one.
Okay.
What's
What's
gonna
your
happen
name?
to me?
I'm gonna ask you.
My name is
Is that short for anything?
Brenda.
All right. Just take a deep breath.
Brenda, do you have anything on your person that has your name?
No.
So we can confirm that?
No, I just want to go use the bathroom and dress myself. Can I just go right there?
Nope.
Nope. All right, Brenda. Do you have a middle initial, ma'am?
No.
Okay. What's your birthday? Do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
Okay. Where? Okay. Do you have a state ID?
No, I have a license. I just don't have anything with me.
So Brenda, I'm going to tell you right now.
What's going on?
Again, you are being detained for suspicion of retail theft. They have you over at Kohl's here, just up the way, on video, putting makeup in your pockets, walking out of the store without paying for
I
them.
didn't put makeup in my pockets at
Well,
that
I have
store.
I have you on
Show
video
me the
doing
makeup.
it.
I didn't take any makeup from that store. I
Okay.
want to see that right now. You know, and then I want to go. I didn't take any makeup from that store. I swear
So-
I didn't.
Here's the deal.
Show me the makeup.
Hold on.
I didn't. I
Ma'am,
didn't
can
take
you,
any
can
of
you
your
let my
makeup.
partner
Can I
explain
talk?
here?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I want you to be totally honest. Is all the information that you've given me correct?
Yes.
Okay. Because I'm going to tell you, if any of the information that you've given me, because right now I do have probable cause for your arrest, if any of that information that you've given me is false, that is going to be an additional charge for obstructing identification.
No, that's me. And can I go home now?
Not yet.
I didn't take any makeup. I didn't take any makeup. I didn't.
Like I said, my partner has video.
I want to see the makeup I took.
Well,
I didn't take anything. I used the sample.
I need you to-
sir.
I need you to-
No, but I'm okay. I'm
Okay,
not
I
trying
need
to
you to
upset.
calm down a little bit.
Hey, Adam. No middle.
I'm not leaving, sir. I'm white as a
Yeah,
dog.
you're not free to leave like
Hey,
we
don't
told
be
you.
mean to me.
I'm not being
I
mean
didn't
to
take
you.
makeup though. I didn't. That's not. I didn't. A sample thing I used, but I didn't take any makeup
Well, I have
there.
you on video putting it in your pockets.
No, that was this was
It's
a
the
sample
exact
thing.
same clothes that you're wearing.
It was a sample
Well,
thing.
you put it in your
wasn't makeup,
pockets.
sir. But
Put
because it
in
was a
your
sample.
pockets, that doesn't matter. You can't
I thought
take
you
it.
could. It's a sample.
Well, no, that's not how it works.
It was
Well,
a
then-
sample.
Okay.
I don't even
Are you
have
willing
it
to show me?
anymore. I don't have it anymore.
Okay. Okay.
I don't have the thing. It was like a little sample of a liner, and I don't have it anymore.
Okay.
Because I didn't even I don't
So
have
what
it.
was taken was two things of like makeup powder, with with the little mirrors and the powder that you can put on your face, and then a setter. Okay.
I don't have that anymore. I don't even have
Don't have it anymore? Okay. Where would it be?
Because it was just some sample stuff, and I didn't like it.
Well, then
it was
where
like
would it be?
I don't know. I just kind of threw it in. It might be right over there in the garbage. I didn't keep it, sir.
Okay.
I didn't, and it was a sample. I didn't think that was wrong. It wasn't like I didn't take. You understand what I didn't know that it doesn't say that.
They were on the display, and it didn't say anything.
It didn't say.
Hold on, let me finish, please.
I'm sorry, but I didn't.
I'm talking right now. Okay. There's nothing on there that said they were samples. They were display.
Displays are samples. I didn't even keep it. But it was just I didn't steal take stuff. Like you know what I mean? Like stuff like that. I didn't.
Okay. Go ahead. Hold on.
I'm not going anywhere, sir.
No, we're done walking around. You stand right there and don't move until I tell you to.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. Could you please 10-9?
I didn't know the samples were wrong, and I threw them out. They weren't even my color. You know, you're just goofing around. I didn't mean anything. I took 2 samples.
Brenda,
no.
I'm going to ask you again. Do you have anything with an ID?
I don't have anything on me.
You have anything with your name on it?
No.
All right.
My face is my face.
Well, that's okay. You don't have any debit.
21065. No, I don't have anything on me.
You don't have a debit card.
I don't have anything on me today.
What about a phone?
I don't have anything on me.
You don't have a phone?
I have my phone, but it's my sister's.
So you said you took samples from where?
Kohl's.
From Kohl? Friend, I'm
Yes.
gonna have you wait right here with me, okay?
You just told me you don't have a phone.
No, I said this is my friend's phone. I
it
don't
was your
have a
sister's
phone.
phone,
Like, so
actually.
same thing. Same thing.
You're all over the place
confusing,
here.
though.
Same thing. I'm upset right now, and I wet myself because all of a sudden I'm in trouble for some. And they were like they were translucent. And they were,
samples?
yeah, and they were like so I didn't even keep them.
Okay. What? You have a tag still on your hoodie. What happened there?
That's just my shirt.
You left the tag on it?
It's just my shirt.
It's a new style.
Yeah, it's not a new style.
You ripped the scanner off with the tag still
No,
attached.
I didn't write a scanner. This is not. I didn't rip a scanner. This is
No,
mine.
look at the tag. Want me to show
I
you?
know. I see the tag there, but that's not that. That's mine.
Okay, I'm
I
just
see
saying
that
you left.
there. I have layers on today.
Girl, I'm just saying you left the tag on.
No, I
That's
didn't
all.
leave the tag on. It's not. It's just something I threw on.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So according to Kohl's, she's got a Walmart cart somewhere where she was dumping stuff by a bush. She's wearing the exact same clothes that she was wearing at the time of the theft. I think that she's giving me a phony baloney name.
Okay.
She claims she has nothing with her ID.
Okay.
I got a couple other things I'm going to try to ask her. Either way, she's going to be coming with me because I have no way to ID her. So I'm going to double check with Kohl's as far as what she left in the bags and whatnot. But what she took today, we have her on video. You can see her clearly on the display, putting stuff in her pocket. She walks out of the store.
Did Kohl's give you an itemized list of those items from the earlier theft?
They did.
Okay, very good.
Am I gonna? Can I use the bathroom at least?
As of
or-
right now, no.
Did you just come from, where'd you say, Kohl's? Where'd
No,
you
I
say
wasn't
Kohl's?
at Kohl's. I was just walking around. I was about to call and try to get a lift or something to get back.
Yeah.
Well, how are we going to do that if you don't have anything on you?
You don't have any money or nothing?
I don't
you
have
just-
that money for lift.
No?
You just said you don't have cards or
I
anything.
don't have. No, I don't have anything on me.
So how are we going to pay for a lift?
I don't know how Lyft works.
Thank you.
Genuinely, I really don't.
Thank you. I see.
Well, I mean,
was
it's-
going to call a friend.
it's not
I
free.
don't know who I was going to call, but I was going to call
Somebody,
you,
right? Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
I'm not leaving, sir, so you don't have to act like
Well, we asked you to stay there and you
Well, I don't
haven't,
want to
so
because I'm nervous. I don't see why I have to do what you say.
because I'm a police officer, that's
that
why.
doesn't make a difference. I mean, I'm still a human being.
And I'm treating you fairly, am I not?
know.
I just have asked you to stay there. That makes my job easier.
I'd like to go. I'd like to go home.
Well,
Am I going to be able to go home?
unfortunately, I don't know. My
Am I
partner
gonna
is
be
the.
able to go home?
So you know the other gentleman that you were talking to before I came in here?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to talk to him about that.
Okay.
I came here late, that's why I was asking
Okay.
you what your name is and all that.
Dennis and Peters.
Yep.
I'm not going to run away, Dennis. I'm not going to hit you. I've never done anything violent.
I'm not saying
just
you're.
would like
I'm not
to
saying
go
you're a
home.
violent person.
Where is home?
Down the street.
Oh, okay.
I'm just pacing, sir. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
It's nice of
him
them
too.
to-
You might pace too. You're handsome though.
Thank you.
Yes, you're nice looking too. There's your sauce.
Oh, well, I appreciate you. That's very kind.
You found it right here? Yep. You're the man, dude. Appreciate
This
you.
is
I think she's giving me a phony baloney name.
I would assume so, especially if she's not coming back.
Correct. So I'm going to try a couple other things.
Did you talk to Target? Because this is Target's bags.
Target. So earlier they said she didn't take anything, but that may have changed between now and
Yeah,
then.
he's actually, so you're going to want to check, somebody go check up on him. He's going to go review footage, see if she came back.
Can I go home with your
Not yet.
name, Hunter?
My name's Officer Hunter, badge number 1120.
What are we waiting for?
Right now we have somebody talking over to Kohl's.
I just want to go home.
Okay. So
Please?
I'm going to ask you to stop moving around and stand right there for me, please, okay? That's the last warning. Could you turn and face me, please?
I can hear you. I don't have a knife or
Miranda, we
anything.
have
Brenda?
to be able to see you.
Okay.
I'm not asking, I'm telling. Turn around and face me. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What part of stop moving
I'm
around do we
sorry.
not understand?
I'm sorry. Okay, talk to me, sir. Come over here.
I got dispatched out to Kohl's earlier
Okay,
today.
yes.
They advised me that there was a retail theft of several pieces of makeup items offered for sale. The total value of those items is $141. They have you on video walking over to the makeup section, putting those items in your pocket, and walking past the last point
I'm
of
so
sale
sorry. I
without
didn't know,
procuring
but
a form of
they-
payment.
The initial detention itself was authorized under the doctrine of Terry versus Ohio, decided in 1968. Terry permits brief investigative stops whenever officers possess reasonable suspicion supported by specific articulable facts, not vague hunches. Matching clothing descriptions from a witness report comfortably satisfied that constitutional threshold here. Detention alone, however, cannot support a full custodial arrest under the Fourth Amendment. Officers must first escalate their justification from reasonable suspicion to probable cause before invoking custody. In this encounter, that escalation occurred through three converging and mutually reinforcing sources of evidence. First, surveillance footage from Kohl's clearly captured the concealment and the departure without payment. Second, an on-scene identification by store personnel independently confirmed the suspect's identity. Third, physical evidence emerged when officers observed an unremoved price tag still attached to her clothing. Combined, this evidence easily satisfied the probable cause standard required for a warrantless arrest. The dollar amount involved is often widely misunderstood by the public in petty theft cases. Under Atwater versus City of Lago, Vista, decided in 2001, custodial arrest is constitutional even for minor misdemeanors. The $141 total does not shield the suspect from formal arrest and booking. The most legally significant moment involved the suspect's persistent refusal to identify herself accurately. Many citizens confuse the Fifth Amendment right to silence with a supposed right to withhold their identity. Under Hiibel versus 6th Judicial District of Nevada, decided in 2004, that confusion becomes very costly. Hiibel confirmed that states may lawfully compel a detained suspect to provide their true name. The right to silence protects the substance of self-incriminating statements, not the fact of identification. Providing a false name during a lawful detention constitutes an independent and separately chargeable criminal offense. Obstruction of identification is prosecuted independently of the underlying theft investigation itself. This is precisely how a single misdemeanor became two distinct charges before reaching the station. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, also deserves brief legal clarification here. Miranda warnings are required only before custodial interrogation, not during general investigative questioning. On-scene questions to establish identity or clarify circumstances fall outside Miranda's protective scope. Any statement made during the roadside interaction here remains fully admissible against her at trial. The suspect's constantly shifting narrative also warrants brief but pointed legal analysis. Each contradictory statement becomes admissible impeachment evidence under the federal rules of evidence. Prosecutors will introduce these inconsistencies to demonstrate what courts term consciousness of guilt. The suspect effectively manufactured her own strongest evidentiary exhibit against herself.
I'm
Warrant
talking,
for
you're
sale.
listening.
I'm apologizing.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
Okay, I'm
Mr.
trying
Hunter.
to be nice, but we keep talking
Okay,
over me,
I'm
and that's
not-
a little
okay, keep going now.
frustrating.
Keep going,
Give me a
Mr.
moment.
Hunter.
Let him take this call.
Hello. Miss Thomas, could you follow me, please?
Can I take my stuff that I bought?
Hold on just a second, please. I'm going to actually have you stand right here, right next to me, please.
Which way?
Just right here, and I'm going to have you face that way, please.
Why,
Looking
you gonna
over at
put
this.
cuffs
No,
on me?
no, I am not. I'm standing
Where
right
am I
here.
facing? Okay,
We're
why?
just hanging out right here because we have somebody from Kohl's that's going to take a
should
look
we
at
go
you.
over there?
They're going to come to us.
Okay.
Turn over and look at that squad car for me, the white one.
I don't want to.
Okay.
Why do I have to look at the squad car?
Okay.
I want to know. Give me an
Because
explanation.
they need to take a look at you.
He told you that before.
And that's like I explained before.
Oh, this is the guy in the car?
Yes.
Which car? The white one?
The white one that just drove past
oh,
with
what
the
is
little...
this, some incognito thing? You think someone will come get him? I'm not going to do anything to anyone.
That's just a police procedure.
Did he see me?
That's
Can't they see me with the scars?
very good. All right.
So what happens now?
Notice the suspect's emotional dysregulation intensifying here, a common physiological response during high-stress detention encounters.
Let's just be honest. I'm very nervous. I peed on myself.
Okay.
I did.
So, at this moment in time, if you have nothing that can prove to me who you are going to be placed under arrest at this time. Do you have anything that can show me who you are? Don't go reaching for nothing, please. Don't go reaching for anything,
I don't have
please.
anything in my pockets.
I don't know that.
Touch, but then go in them.
So, I'm going to.
With every element of probable cause now satisfied, Officer Hunter formalizes the arrest under the state retail theft statute.
You are under arrest at this time for the crime of retail theft. We're going to go over right here to this black F-150, Miss Thomas. Please be mindful of your step. I won't let you...
You're going to have to really help me.
Okay, I've got you. I'm not going to let you fall. I'm just going to take your hat off.
No, don't.
I have to take it off. It's departmental policy.
I don't know. No, please don't. I have a religious beanie that's in my purse
Brenda,
that I
it's
always
going to go
wear.
right back on. I have to take it off real quick and then...
Oh, God. Don't do this to me. Please let me go home.
Nope, we're past that point now. Okay.
I want it back on now.
Brenda?
Please.
I'm going to put it back on. I said I had to take it off for a second and put it right back on.
Can I have my religious beanie?
Your beanie is still on your head?
No, is it on my head? Because I was hot and I had taken it off. I have a religious beanie I wear all the time.
What color is it?
It's black.
It's still on your head.
I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm never going to get out of jail.
Officer performance earns a grade of A- for procedural precision, legal accuracy, and consistent de-escalation. The suspect's conduct earns a grade of D- for cumulative and entirely self-inflicted legal damage. The department earns a grade of B+, based on evident training quality and full Bodycam compliance. 3 practical legal lessons emerge from this encounter for broader public understanding. First, the sample or display defense has no basis whatsoever in criminal law and should never be invoked. Second, silence is a constitutional right, but identifying yourself when lawfully detained is a legal obligation. Third, every contradictory statement made to law enforcement can and will be used against you at trial. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.